That's me.
Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today, we are going back. We are looking for the Special Agent Oso, and we're bringing in Oso himself right here. Today, you're going to be drawing him. So, get your 3Ps out, your paper, your pen, and your pencil. Hopefully you have an eraser as well. And let's get started. We're going to take those papers. We're going to turn them portrait or up and down. And we are going to start off with our pencils first. Well, we start off your pencils. We're going to actually just start off nice and easy with a nice big circle. All right. Once you have your circle, you know what we're going to do? The magic T! We're going to slant that magic T just slightly. Just like that. Not a huge slant, just a little bit. And then we're going to draw our line all the way across, just like that. Now, once we have our magic T, we know where all the pieces of the face are going to go. And we're going to start off with a nice big oval for his nose. All right, once you have your oval nose, let's go ahead and draw some ears. We're going to put them in each quadrant. See how we've got this circle divided into 4? We're going to do the 2 sides here, and we're going to draw a nice big C. And you can make these 2 C's as big as you like. And then inside, we're going to draw a smaller C. Once we have that, we're going to give him his big body. We're going to draw a giant circle. That's what we're going to do. It's going to start off. We're going to draw it real big. So it does cut into his head a little bit here, just like that. And we're just going to make it. Oh my goodness, it's so big. Big, big circle. We're going to go ahead and take away the part that went in his head. Keep that magic T, though. We'll need that. Once you have that, we're going to connect this body to his head with 2 curvy lines, just like that. Then we're going to go straight down to the bottom of this giant, giant circle that we made. And we're going to make a nice, big circle. We're going to make a little, I'd like to say U, but it's kind of a, what is that? A J? I would call it a J. So let's start with his top of his mouth, I guess you want to call it. It's just like in the Octonauts when we draw a big C or a curved line or a U shape, or what do you want to call it? But we're going to do 2 of them. We're going to do them. They come right out of that magic T line from his nose, and they're going to circle around, and they go connect right there by the line of the magic T. Let's make his big happy mouth. We're going to make a big U all the way, almost, yes, really big U shape for his open mouth. And notice it comes right out of the sides of these C's. All right. Then we're going to make a smaller U. We're going to go right on in here and make a smaller one, just like that. All right, there you go. So let's look at this foot down here. We're going to actually erase everything inside this circle like that. And we're going to make a curvy, just a rainbow line, really. So the rainbow line going across, almost kind of the near the top of his foot. And then we're going to use a rainbow line, but the opposite way. We're going to get that rainbow. We're going to turn it upside down. So I guess it's more of a smile face, smile line, just like that. All right. All right, let's look at his neck over here. This neck over here, we're going to do 2 curvy lines. We're going to draw 1 curvy line just like that. And right next to it, another curvy line. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, but this one's a little bit higher. It's almost like it's going to be coming out of his neck. So let's do a curvy line like that. just like that, and then another curvy line like that. Okay, let's draw one of his, I guess, paws or arms coming out of these two curvy lines, and it's going to go right about to this part of his tummy, about halfway through, right? So a nice big paw, just like that. So first what we're going to do is go over here. We're going to just draw a little U shape right here. That's going to be his hand. We're going to draw his other hand right here like that as a circle, just like that. Yeah, just like that. And we're actually going to draw, we're going to actually extend it just slightly. So after you do a circle, we can extend it a little bit, just like that. And then we can erase in here. So, all right, let's do his finger right down here. And it's basically going to connect to the top of this circle, like that. And wait till you see it. Ready? With two lines, we're going to give him 3 fingers. Ready? 1 line, 2 lines. The next step we're going to do is we're going to look at these 2 lines that we drew right here, and we're going to draw 2 more long, curvy lines that go all the way down. This is reminding me of Dottie. We had the same kind of vest thing that they were wearing, right? So here we go. We're going to do a curvy line, and it's going to go all the way down to where his hand is over here. So we did 1 on 1. We're going to do 1 more connecting the other one. All the way down, just like that. All right. I think it's okay for us to go ahead and erase anything inside there, like that. Let's go ahead and erase this line right here. And we're going to erase the bottom right there. And I think we'll save the rest. We'll save the rest for a minute. All right, let's get his eyeballs, because he needs to know where he's running, right? He's got to know. So he's a panda. So I'm trying to think the best way to do this. Let's do it this way. We're going to go from his cheek, and we're going to draw a nice curvy line, and it's going to be a smile line all the way almost to the end of his head, right? On both sides. All right, why did we do that? Well, we're going to make really big eyeballs, and I want to make sure we had the right spot of where it needs to end up. So now that we have these 2 lines, we're going to make giant U shapes that go all the way up and around and down to his nose, just like that. So let's do that again. In fact, we could start by the nose on this one. Go up, around, to connect with there. Because those are going to be his big eye spots, right? All right. Okay, let's get his, he's got a lot of circles now. So we're going to do a smaller circle. It's going to go all the way around. Just like that. Okay. We can get rid of the magic T line, I believe. I want to get it nice and open here in this mouth because he's got a little tooth going on there. We're going to keep that part of the magic T line right there. But we'll get rid of the ones inside his nose. And, of course, on the top of his nose, we'll get rid of that one. And we'll get rid of the magic T going across his face. All right. All right, let's look at this arm. We're going to draw his arm with a giant U shape. Another U, letter U's. Man, letter U's always, they seem to really come in handy in these drawings. Okay, we're going to have some fun. Let's go ahead and look at this bottom foot here. We're going to draw an oval on the bottom right here. And then 4 spots that go around his whole foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and draw. Let's go ahead and look at this big curvy line that we did earlier. We're going to draw some more lines that connect with this one. And so let's start with the inner one, the inner line. And we're just going to draw a curved line that goes loops around, just like that. And then from there, the same point, we're going to go back out and we're going to go back and connect with the other part of those two curvy lines. And believe it or not, you just made a three-dimensional vest. Congratulations. That's actually a really hard feat. We can go ahead and get rid of everything inside here now. Let's give him a little zipper, which is just a long rectangle. And then he's got a patch right here. So draw an oval with a smaller oval and 1, 2, 3, 4 dots inside. So this is like, I guess, the team patch, if I'm not mistaken here. Okay, so again, we're gonna do a big curvy line from his wrist all the way to his elbow, just like that. All right, we don't want to get all the way down to his leg. Once you have that curvy line, we're gonna do a second curvy line right next to it, just like these two. This little snaky line here, we're doing kind of another snaky line right here. We can erase that part right there. It's in there. And we can erase this right there. So all we're going to do, let's do all the hard stuff first. The vest, the final part of the vest is a curvy line from here to here. And then we'll do another curvy line just like that. Once you have that, we can erase this part right in here like that. And we're also going to erase a little bit right here because that's his arm. Let's erase the things inside the two curvy lines like that. And then we're just going to connect these two curvy lines with these two snaky lines or roads or whatever you want to call them with a line like that. All right, now we need to finish his vest. So all we're going to do is we're going to take a look at these two lines right here. And we need to drop them straight down to his wrist. We're going to do the same thing with this line. Ready? Here we go. Whoop, down to his wrist. All right, now we can erase everything in here and in here. All right. So there he is. He's wearing his vest. He's also got a nice little watch on. So we're going to draw a nice big circle, just like that. And inside that circle, actually, we're going to erase everything. Once you have your circle, erase everything inside of it. We're going to do a second circle inside of that. All right. Now we're going to, so this is his watch, right? So now we just have to make a band going down. And look right here. We already have a nice line. We just need to make it a little bit thicker. So we'll do another curvy line. Let's follow that band. Why not? Parallel lines. What are parallel lines, everybody? Two lines that follow the same path but never meet. That's right. So we've got his band. And do you know what? I'm looking at it. His band actually has lines in it like that. So here, we're going to do this easy. We're going to do this real easy. We're going to thicken these lines right here on the sides that we made. And then we're done. Look at that. There's his watch. Awesome. We got it. All right, let's get his eyeballs because that's important. It's important for him to see where he's running. So all we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to give him a circle eyeball. Circle eyeball. I realize I probably should not have erased the magic T so quick. But once we have those circle eyeballs, we can go ahead and give him a nice big pupil. Like that. And we're going to do a baby circle next to that. We're actually going to do little ziggy zags, little fire lines all the way across. You know what? Let's do it easy. With your pencil, real light, we're going to draw a curvy line. Real light, though. Draw it real light. Once you have your curvy line, Follow that curvy line with your pencil. This time, go harder and do your zigzags. See? That way, you'll know exactly where to go. If you want to add a couple of little U shapes on the watch to make it more detailed, you can do that. Over here on his finger, let's do this. We need to erase a little bit here so it looks like a finger. And actually, let's add a U right here to his backhand. We can add a zipper. I'm going to add a little zipper here, which is, we'll do a long rectangle, and then you know what we'll do? A smaller rectangle with a little square. Kind of makes it look like a zipper. There he is, Oso, running into action. Now you got your pencils done. Get out your markers, get out your pens, ink these in, color them up, and send them. We've got a Facebook page. That's right. We got a Facebook page. We got an Instagram page. We've got a YouTube. Of course, you're on it. Send in your artwork. I want to see them. I want to show them off. And I'm sure your Osos will look so much better than mine, especially in color. I bet they'll look amazing. So keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you'll get. Bye. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.